we are exhausted, but we have a reception to go to. Our daughter got married, and we are on our way to a wedding reception that is a dress-up party. So Mike and I are gonna go back to, we spent the night at his dad's house last night, and then we're gonna go to what hotel?
Best Western.
Best Western, in the town that the party is in. So we're just getting a quick bite to eat right now, and we are so tired, but we'll be back soon. So we are at our hotel, and we are staying at the Best Western. We are in Midland, Michigan. My son and his girlfriend and their son, my grandbaby Tyler, will be staying in this bed, and we've already started to set up shop. But then they have this cute little terraced area. And a balcony. There's a storm over here. It's quite chilly out right now.
I'm laying here in my bed, feeling kinda lonely. Then my heart starts talking. You are never alone, whispers my heart, whispers my sweetheart. You are never alone, whispers my sweetheart. I am always weak.
That's Andrew and Jason. To each other's best friends through thick and thin. Remember, even though life isn't happy all the time, it's never. Let me say that again. Even if it's not. How's it go? Okay. It'll all be okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end.
Andrew and Jason, you guys are perfect for each other. We couldn't be happier for you. We wish you many, many forever years of love and happiness. And know that there's going to be hard work too. There's going to be times when you love each other and hate each other, but I know you know this because you've been together like forever already. But keep putting each other first and love one another. And on that note, let's give them a kiss. Mwah! Mwah!
You are never alone,
Love you!
whispers my sweetheart. I am always with you. I am always with you. Now I feel a little bit more happy.